Welcome back to Autoscope. Honda Motorhome 2026, a blend of efficiency, comfort, and Honda technology. Outside, the RV will follow Honda's modern, aerodynamic design language with its sleek, simple lines. This design is not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional, as it reduces wind resistance and boosts fuel economy. Because composite materials are durable and lightweight, the RV will be lighter overall without sacrificing safety. The windows will be covered with a particular type of thermal insulation, film to keep the interior temperature at a comfortable level. It will have an automated awning that can be controlled from the inside, sizable, discrete outdoor storage space, and a built-in solar panel on the roof to charge the auxiliary battery. Interior: an open-plan design strategy will be used to create the illusion of space. Because the furniture will be multifunctional and adaptable, users will be able to modify the arrangement as needed. For example, a dining table that can be folded into a double bed or a sofa that can be converted into a lounge chair. A mid-sized refrigerator, an induction cooktop, and a sink with a retractable faucet are among the high-tech, energy-efficient kitchen appliances that will be installed. Smart storage will utilize every available space to maximize capacity. The master bedroom will have separate reading lights, a comfortable queen-size bed, and storage cabinets. This area will have wide windows that will provide beautiful views. The 2026 Honda RV is expected to be powered by a state-of-the-art hybrid electric drivetrain that combines an effective i-VTEC gasoline engine with a powerful electric motor. This will offer quick performance, exceptional fuel efficiency, and low emissions. The motorhome will have a fully integrated HondaLink entertainment system with a large touchscreen that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Built-in Wi-Fi will keep users connected. Every home appliance will be powered by a lithium-ion battery with a big capacity. A rooftop solar panel installation will help recharge batteries when it is exposed to sunlight. Has a 360-degree camera as a safety system.